and welcome to another product review from Beads Jar. I'm Natalia and today I want to talk about Bead and Jewellery Magazine. Now, if you're passionate about making jewellery, you're always going to need some extra inspiration, new ideas and handy hints about techniques and how you can use them in your designs, and you'll get exactly that from this fabulous glossy magazine. It comes out every month, and every month we stock this magazine. And once you've read your first copy, you're going to want to order it again and again. The pages of it are very thick. It's a very, very good quality magazine. And the images are so colourful and high quality. Look at those. Now, it contains a minimum of 12 new step-by-step jewellery making and craft projects for you to try out every month. And you can see the detail here. They do not just the image, but they also do a text write-up, a description of each of the steps. And so no matter how you prefer to learn, this magazine has got you covered. Every month there are 82 pages in this magazine, and they contain fabulous inspiration. And the great thing is that we have the latest copy available every month. Plus, we also stock the back issues so that you can order previous titles if you've missed them. So for example, this one is going back to the summer of 2018. And this one is giving you free tickets to the Fabulous Big Bead Show. So there's lots of offers like that. And every time you get a copy of this magazine, there is something that is absolutely amazing. Even if you don't want to make it, it's just so wonderful seeing how somebody's come up with the idea of creating that. Look at that cuff. It's just, I just go all gooey looking at it. I honestly do. So you've got lots of different techniques in here, not just beading. You've got mixed media, you've got metal clays, you obviously have the Drama Queen cuff there from the front cover, and lots of inspiration from the top designers who have written these wonderful projects for you. So I think you will agree that this is a really great publication to order. So get yourself onto our website, have a look at the Show More section where you'll find a link to look at all of the past copies and the current one too. And don't forget also to subscribe to our channel while you're here so that you don't miss out on any of our future product reviews and our lovely jewellery making tutorials. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.